Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo just arrived. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and the label on this one says Music Icons, and it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. There's a first look at the Music Icons. Now this one's on a black matte finish, and it was made in, looks like G of 17, G17, which is about July of 17. So let's take a look at the icons. We got a turntable, treble clef, some drums, trumpet, earphones, keyboard, musical note, a record, a vinyl album maybe, a little harp, more drums, a boombox, microphone, and some more notes, along with the Zippo logo. This one's got a good sound, steel insert, good flame. Let's do a drop test on this, a lit drop test. So there's the lit drop test on the Music Icons by Zippo. Works pretty good. This is a good one for the collection. And the best thing about it, made in USA, deserves a cowbell or two. Knuckle bump.